Hello everybody, Don Master here. We got the 3-piece set here we're going to do an unboxing on.
A-O?
Yep.
Oh,
anyway.
No. What guy?
Little guy wants to see them, so we're going to get this opened up for you. Got the MATCO here. I was charging it up in the house.
Yeah.
So let's get this SPSJ3G opened up and see how this one looks. I felt these two in orange. Let's see how that one looks.
Cool.
Here they all are out of the package. Yeah, these small ones are nice. These 6-inch. They got a good feel to them. You're gonna see those mediums. But yeah, the 6 inches are nice. Nice finish. Hopefully they won't rust like snap-ons.
No.
And these are very professional looking, aren't they?
Good on. What?
Aren't they professional?
Dad.
Anyway, which one's your favorite? Which ones? What size?
Mine.
Grab your favorite.
Mommy. Chichi.
Grab them.
Dad.
He likes the small ones.
Mine. Me.
So anyways, again guys, that's the
Mommy.
SPSJ3G. Anyway, just a silly little video here. Never opened these up earlier, so I figured I'd open them up and show you. Double position. Double grabbing on the big one, the 10-inch. And then the 8-inch is like the 6-inch, just a little bit bigger. He likes them. But anyway, thanks for watching.